Alright guys, we're walking on Water World. We're gonna have a water show. How exciting.
Come on in, guys. Come on in. Sit wherever you want. Green seats are the wet seats, okay?
Uh-oh. Eat.
Guys, this is the #1 guy right there. I would trust that with my life. Feel free to say he's a good dude.
Try to get a seat. Away from the water, of course. We didn't plan for this.
We all have jobs. So you get a job. 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 You know what? You all get a job.
Oh, Jesus.
Each and every one of you. You might be asking yourself.
Oh no!
Okay, that was better. Better. Let's show them how it's done. Matt, what do you got?
A woman! Looks like it's Helen!
Helen, return signal.
Oh.
Now get the gate. Woo!
Close the gates! Matt, keep a lookout.
Helen,
Paige, come help me.
bring it in. It's so good to see you alive.
Start your lives on dry land, but we have to hurry. The deacon and his smokers are after me. Smokers in the distance!
Battle stations! Helen, get to the tower, hurry! Matt, see the alarm! Everyone, keep your heads down, swivel! Check the library, lock down the gate. Everybody, seaplane! Anyone have eyes on the seaplane? Back! Incoming from the south! Get down!
Oh my god!
Get to the cannons, cover it! Matt, let's go! Matt, get on one gate! Ah! Ah! You got guy! Whoa!
He's going to the gates!
Stop it! Ah! That's the gate! Oh no! Ah! Ah! Get cover!
Stay down! Matt, look out!
Matt, get over it!
Oh my god!
Matt! Ah! Get up, bud! Seaplane! Helen! No! Helen! Helen! Ah!
Outside! Hey! Where do you think you're going?
Matt!
Oh!
Signal the deacon!
Oh god.
Hi, I'm Tiger Woods. Who's got the golf ball out there? Oh, good job, stand up. He's got my golf ball. Well, it's okay. Time. We might actually need these people. Bag this.
Your brothers and sisters. Am I right?
Somebody shut him up.
You never shut up, Deacon! Ah!
Oh.
Yes! Ollie!
Nice catch.
Helen, where you going, huh? Did I say you can leave? What happened? Get the girl. kicking our butts. Oh, that's hard to watch. You got one eye.
You're done, freak!
Oh!
A weapon!
Oh!
Come on, Mariner. Just you and me.
Jesus!
Surprise, surprise. Get out, boys.
Hey! You got something on your face! You got something on your...
Oh!
Oh, somebody signal my seaplane. How do you like that on my hand? So's your boyfriend. See that ladder? Start climbing. Faster. Yeah, like that. Because I've got a brand new vision. A pilgrimage for two to dry land, Helen. The two of us. We got a plane to catch. Come on, fish boy. Pull up. Go, pull up.
Oh, wow!
No. You made me hit my seaplane. Yes. I've got your woman. I've killed your friends. Who's gonna stop me now? You? I don't think so. You don't have a leg to stand on.
No!
Yes! I, Deacon of Waterworld, celebrate the birth of a new nation. Dry land is my destiny.
Hey, Deacon!
Hey, what? No! No, Marty! No!
Oh, no!
No, not my dudes! No! Mariner, taking you with me!
Wow!
I should have stayed until that! This house is gonna blow.
Oh, wow!
And so the Deacon's friends.
Wow! Such a good show.
We hope you've enjoyed this performance of Waterworld, and if you are enjoying your stay